Hi, I'm Dan and I'm from Full Scale Conflict Commissions, and I'll be hosting another airbrushing workshop here at BrisVegas Comics on Sunday the 27th of September at 11 AM. This workshop will be focusing in depth on the techniques such as panel modulation, panel lighting, as well as zenithal highlighting, and colour manipulation to look at the results that you're trying to achieve. We will then advance you into your colour blocking once the airbrushing is complete, followed by any decal placement, your pin washing, and any further effects such as acrylic chipping that you may want to achieve so that your model is tabletop ready really quickly. So bring along a medium to large model as well as a few infantry for this workshop focus. Until then, happy airbrushing.